How to edit or delete events in Timetree. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to edit or delete events in Timetree. So in that case, you have to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Then to begin with, go ahead and log in into your Timetree account. So type in Timetree, and once you're logged into your account, it's going to take you to the home page. While you're on this page, go ahead and select the calendar type and click the image icon from the top left, and here you can go ahead and select the calendar list. When you select it, it's going to take you to this page where you need to go ahead and tap the activity buttons, and as you click on the activity, here you can see the create events that you've created. So if in order to make changes, or if you wish to delete or edit it, you need to long press on the particular event. When you do that, it's going to take you to the event detail page. Here you can go ahead and tap the three dot icon from the top right hand side, and then click the edit button if you wish to make changes. And after you're done making changes, then you can go ahead and tap the save button from the top right, and the edit has been completed. Similarly, if you wish to delete it, then tap the three dot icon and click the delete button, and if you're sure about it, click the delete button, and then you've successfully confirmed or deleted your event in Timetree. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.